Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm studying BSc Cybersecurity. I chose to study at Cardiff and Vale College as I was very familiar with the surroundings. I previously studied the BTEC Level 3 Computing at Cardiff and Vale College. I met some amazing people, the tutors were very supportive, and I wasn't entirely sure on what to do whilst finishing my Level 3. With the support of them, they encouraged me to enrol in a higher education degree at Cardiff and Vale College. One of the highlights I experienced here at the college was participating in World Skills. It was a competition that allowed me to showcase my skills and compete with different colleges and universities all over the world. After I finish my course, I would like to find a full-time job within cybersecurity industry. I know that if I explore the industry to find where I would be best suited would be beneficial. So I feel that working in different departments to find my feet would benefit me. If you're considering studying at Cardiff and Vale College, I would say go for it. The experience that I've had has been absolutely amazing and the people that I've met have been incredible. I haven't had support like this since school, and I would highly recommend being in a college environment for both BTEC level and higher education level.